So I was just watching a Huberman podcast about changing your brain. Basically, what I learned from that was that if you're above 25, you're doomed. But it's not really true. If you're below 25, you can actually just exist and you will learn stuff. Although I still think that those things that I will be talking about, they will help you. So you can actually draw better and you can actually learn to draw faster. If you're above 25, you're not doomed. It doesn't really matter how old are you, although it kind of matters, because if you're above 25, you can actually have to put work to learn. If you're below, like me, I don't know, you just can exist. So I'll try to teach that what I just learned. I've been drawing for like 1.5 years, I guess, for now. So I've made a decent progress, and I just want to teach what I've learned, because I wish there were more, I guess, beginners trying to teach something. I just prefer to get the perspective of beginner, but I try to teach whatever I know. Okay, let's just start with the first thing, which is age important when it comes to learning? First answer is yes, it is important, but it is not like the big factor, okay? Basically, there is like, okay, above 25, it is harder to learn than below 25 years old. And, you know, because all the brain connections and stuff are still forming when you're younger. And if you're, I don't know, older, all the connections are like cemented, okay? In, I don't know, something that it is harder. It is not impossible, it is harder. I will tell you how you can get into state that you will learn. So me and you can actually exist and will be learning, but why not actually, I don't know, boost it? So yeah, that's what I'm actually excited. So yeah, to actually learn, to actually improve learning, you need to become in the state when there is like 3 chemicals. The first one is brainstem source of acetylcholine, and the next one is basal forebrain source of acetylcholine, and the other one is epinephrine. So yeah, you need to be in a state of those 3 chemicals releasing in your body. So with those 3, if you have those 3 in your body, you will learn. You will learn faster, you will learn whatever you want. And now how to get into that state. So the first one is you actually, okay, that is if you're above 25. Also, you can use it below 25, so whatever. You first need to want it, okay? You need the reasons. So like, I don't know, take like 3 reasons why you actually want to learn to draw, I don't know, lips, let's say. I have a video about that. But let's say, okay, you want to draw lips because you want to, I don't know, make your character more appealing, make your character more expressive, make your character, I don't know, have juicy lips. You can do that. So you have 3 reasons. Also, if the reasons are bigger, you know, you will actually like release some chemicals. So yeah. Okay, the next one is you need alertness. So how do you get alertness? You can just drink coffee, okay? That's, it's, so for me, coffee, now after watching this, because I've been like, okay, I wake up, okay, I like go to work probably. It depends on the day. I go to work, I came back, I drink coffee, then I, do my stuff. It is like late coffee, so I don't know, my sleep is probably compromised. But yeah, also what you need to actually be more aware is you need to be rested, okay? So get, I don't know how many hours of sleep you need, but just get 8 hours of sleep and you will be rested. Also, there is a period in your day, that you are the most aware, you are the most focused. So you could probably do those learning, whatever you want to actually learn, do in that period. Although I know that, so me, for example, I work, so, I would have to wake up. So for me, I would have to wake up really early. And, that's something that I might do. I was thinking about it. But, I don't know, you have work, you have school. It is not really, the case. But you have weekends. You have days off, so try to do that. So yeah, get good sleep, okay? You can use coffee, but just use it wisely, okay? You just don't want to use coffee and then do nothing, because it's, you get those good chemicals, you get alertness, and you just waste it because, I don't know, you just spend your time watching YouTube. I've been there. I'm doing it still. The next one is get goals. So as I said before, you just need to want it, that thing that you want to learn. So if you have goals, let's say you want to become an, I don't know, I'm saying this all the time, but an illustrator. You need to learn those different body parts, those different fundamentals. And you need to be motivated, you need to want it, so you can actually learn it, okay? And the next one is hydration. You need to be hydrated to be more aware. So yeah, get good sleep, get goals, drink coffee. Obviously, if you don't drink coffee, don't drink coffee. If you are, can boost you, and be hydrated. So yeah, now, other one is you need focus. Now, how do you get focus? So the biggest take from that, I got that mental focus follows visual focus. So what it means is that whenever you draw, okay, I don't know, whenever you draw, focus on the actually thing that you're drawing. So for example, if you're drawing, I don't know, practicing lips, you have a reference for lips, just look and observe them, focus on them, okay? So then you will be focused. Also, for focus, don't overstimulate yourself. So, okay, I'm doing it. So whenever I draw, I just blast the music, okay? And now it is really hard for me to actually focus. And also I actually observe that whenever I draw with music, I'm drawing worse. And whenever I'm drawing without music, I'm drawing better. So, but recently I've been almost all the time going with music, and I don't know, I'm wondering why my art sucks. Don't overstimulate yourself. So you can probably take your headphones, okay, put some white noise, maybe you have AirPods, so you can, sound cancellation stuff, okay, you can use that, and just try to focus on one thing. Don't just, okay, I'm drawing this, now I'm looking this, here, don't do that. Look at what you're doing. And also it depends, because we as digital artists, we work on the canvases, our monitors, okay, our graphic tablets, and we need to blink. But also blinking can, defocus you and stuff. So, but I still would recommend blinking, because we need our eyes to actually make art. So yeah, now other thing that I actually observed in myself was agitation. So if you're agitated, okay, it is not bad, it is actually good. It means that you're doing the stuff that you need. So for me is actually I'm drawing, and now I'm look at my other monitor, okay, I'm drawing, I look, drawing, look what somewhere else, drawing, change music, okay, I don't like this music. It actually is kind of good, but although you get agitated, sometimes I even I don't wanna, I just start drawing, okay, and I just give up. Today is not the day, so I just give up. But it's kind of good for you, because it means that you're actually learning, okay. It's hard, it's tough, you also build discipline, okay, so that's good. But yeah, if you're just don't listen to music, okay, so you don't have to look at your other monitor, close it or change your music, go back, there's a lot of friction and stuff, but it's good. So also the most important stuff from that, you need rest, okay, so you need a good amount of sleep. I don't know, 8. Recently I've been sleeping 6 hours, and that's pretty garbage. Those chemicals that your body releases, they're actually I don't know, a highlighter, okay, so your body then highlights the moments that your body released the most of them, and it actually absorbs the knowledge in those highlighted moments, and you learn, those stuff. Now, if you don't get enough sleep in that night or whatever, it's still highlighted. You just need another day, and then you learn it. Pretty neat. But also, you don't need to actually sleep. You can also rest. And what that means is you need periods when you're not focusing on anything. So, for example, you're sitting, I don't know, meditation, I wouldn't say so, because you're actually focusing on your breath, so you are actually focused. But I don't know, running, okay, you just run, okay, maybe exercise, although you still focus on your, I don't know, form and stuff. But yeah, just I don't know, maybe nap, okay, so you can use naps. You can obviously walk, run, and do activities that doesn't require focus. So yeah, you need those chill moments to actually absorb this knowledge. So yeah, that's what I learned today. I just want to do this video to, to like absorb also this, and also to actually share with you also, so you can make your progress in your art faster. And yeah, so yeah, recently I did a challenge where I was learning to draw eyes, lips and stuff, but now I want to actually improve it even more, so I will be making more progress. But also you can watch those challenges on my channel. So yeah, and all my socials are below, so you can go subscribe and stuff. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned a lot. I try to teach what I just learned. And thank you and bye.